What's up everyone, how's it going? I added a few features that I wanted to show you guys that will hopefully help you navigating the scanner and make things a little bit easier. So the first is keyboard shortcuts. If you hit the question mark, it will pull up a list of all available shortcuts. U for OpenAI search or query, B for simultaneous breaks, W for watch lists, open positions P, which you guys don't have access to but will in the future. Slash is a quick search, A is alerts, M is mission control, S is setups. So when you're on the site, you could just hit S to get to the setups page, or M will take you back to mission control, or you can hit B for simultaneous breaks, or A for alerts, or W for watch lists, and quickly get around the site. The slash command is quick search, so you could type in MVDA, MSFT, AAPL, NFLX, boom, pulls up those tickers with the time frames marked, and that makes it a little bit easier to get around. The other feature that I added, saved views. You can add any filters that you want and then save those filters as a view. So you could customize the columns, you can move things around, like if you don't care about time frame continuity, you could hide it, you turn off any of these columns. You can enable or disable, and then when you save the view, it will save the layout that you chose with the filters. So if you wanted to add, like here I have this inside bar filter, so I'm just checking for anything that is an inside bar setup. But I could also, I think on gappers, for example, when I click gappers, I don't think it's going to show any currently, but you can see I have gap here is 5%. So anything with a gap over 5%, it will show me that automatically. So any filters that you type in the columns, or any filters up top here, or any of these advanced filters, high continuations, near all-time high, or candle colors, market cap, you put values in here, any of these will be applied. So you can just go to saved view, type in a name for whatever the view is, you hit save, it will create that view. And then if you want to add a view to the toolbar like I have here, 2 down green, 2 up red, this is just a quick shortcut version. Instead of clicking this drop down and going to apply, it just has a button right here on this toolbar. So if you go to the saved view drop down, you can turn any of these on or off. You just click the toolbar button and it will add the shortcuts for you. So that's pretty cool. And the other thing that I added here is, let me just reset. So we've got some setups here. Is multiple time frame analysis up at the top right. If you click MTA, multiple time frame analysis, it allows you to take the list of setups that are currently being displayed. So if you add some filters, you apply, you've got your list of setups here. Now maybe you want to scan for those setups where the week, I'm going to do the month here because we just ended a week, where the monthly setup is a 1-2 in force. So it will filter any of these daily setups where the month is also in force. And if I click apply MTA, it will give me a list of these daily setups where the month is in force. And you can add multiple steps here. So you can check where the month, the quarter, the year, whatever you want, the week, 12 hour, the 4 hour. You do a bunch of different filters and find exactly what you're looking for. So that's about it. If you guys have any questions, let me know. You can always click on this help button here, and there's a chat bubble down here on the right. You can click that and start a conversation, and I will get back to you. All right, I'll see you in the next one.